What's up?
Welcome back.
Welcome back. It is the last Friday of Celiac Awareness Month. So we're going out with a bang, and we have two people that we're going to be talking about today.
Special people.
Two special guests. So we're going to be making, what are we making, you said?
We're making these guacamole quesadillas, and we're using our favorite Hatch chilies.
We're using the hot diced green chilies so it can mimic like jalapeno.
Yeah.
And also, Hatch is GIG certified, so we will also be talking a little bit about GIG. This is a cookbook insert that we did last year. We've done a few where it's like a bunch of different recipes with all different GIG certified brands, and Hatch is GIG certified. And you can tell because they have, I mean, you're not going to be able to see this from the side, but they have the little GIG logo on it. So, yeah, we're going to get freaking started.
Yes.
Gonna turn this on.
Okay.
So yeah.
This can be kind of like a two people thing. We're gonna have Christina
I guess I can take this off
put
first.
the cheese. We have our little corn tortillas. So she's gonna put some of the Mexican blend cheese on there, and then while she does that, I'm gonna make the guacamole.
So I just put it in here, put the cheese, put the lid.
I would, yeah.
Okay.
And then that, yeah, that's what.
Okay.
So have our avocado, of course. Just like one whole avocado.
Wow.
Adjust, I guess, to how many. Also, these are going to be kind of mini because we have tiny little tortillas.
Street taco quesadillas.
Okay, and then I have some red onion. So add that there.
Finely diced. Second?
Yes.
Okay. I love quesadillas.
Me too.
Okay, lid on.
Well, I guess I'll put our fave Hatch chilies next.
The hot one.
Yes.
We love hot spicy.
I know. And these are just going to add like so much flavor, so I'm excited.
Yeah.
We have a little bit of lime juice. Put that in there. And then just some salt to taste, so I'll put.
Yum.
Let's see.
We use
it
Hatch in like you can put green chilies and everything. We also make so many enchiladas here. We just made a brisket enchilada. The recipe will be coming out next month. So delicious. Their products are just so good. They're premium quality.
Yeah.
We love the spicy one, the spicy green chilies, because it just adds that green chili flavor, but also like a bit of a punch to it. You know?
Yes.
They're so yummy, and we
really
also
are.
love that they're GIG certified.
Yeah.
GIG certifies a lot of gluten-free companies, and we use a lot of GIG certified products, but Hatch just happened to be one. Like we have Home Free, Taste Republic, Hatch. Here, look, Hatch,
Yes.
And we love making streuseli. We love making these little cookbook inserts with them with recipes. But also, it's just a super helpful thing in the gluten-free community when you see that something is GIG certified, because you know that it's safe to eat and that it's gluten-free, of course.
Yeah, you don't have to guess. You don't have to like look, research. Like
You don't
it's
have to
just
read
right
all
there.
the ingredients.
Yes.
I mean, you should always read ingredients
Yeah.
still, but like it makes
makes
feel
it
safer.
easier.
Yeah, it makes it easier for you. So yeah, love.
Shout out to them.
Shout out. If you like go in the store and you're looking at products, a lot of them are GIG certified. So you'll see this this little logo. You see.
Yay.
Yeah. So
Look out for that.
let's see. Okay.
Not melted yet.
All right.
It takes a little bit
Cheese
to
not
like
melted.
heat up,
Yeah,
but
that's
then
true.
once it's hot, it's really hot.
That's true.
We have our
Yeah, it's
guacamole.
coming to the end of Celiac Awareness Month.
I know.
We might be doing something very exciting on Friday for Celiac Awareness Month. The Rays are doing a Celiac Awareness Night.
Yeah.
And we might go, and they're going to have gluten-free beer and gluten-free drinks and dedicated fryers, gluten-free chicken tenders, stuff like that. So we're really excited to hopefully go to that on Friday.
Nice, and it's nice to see that like they're doing that, you know.
Yeah, they usually, I think, have a gluten-free like stand, but I think they're expanding it for the Celiac Awareness Night, which is really cool. I love that.
Awesome.
But yeah, we're gonna wait for this to melt. She's getting there.
Yeah.
So we'll give it a few minutes, and then we'll be back.
All right.
When it's melted. Okay, our cheese
It's
is melted on our corn tortillas, and now we're gonna put our guacamole on there with our Hatch green chilies.
Yes.
Just put it on like half, then fold it.
Yeah.
Oh, I kind of put a lot. Hey, the
It's
more the
okay,
merrier.
I know.
The more the merrier.
I'm excited to try these. And like, of course, do it right away, I would recommend, because you want it to be nice and melty, all the cheese and stuff.
And then you can just eat the rest of the guac with your chip. Exactly. Or you can make multiple because these are small.
Yeah.
But yum. Delicious.
Yummy. They look so cute and tiny.
Taste test.
Cheers.
It is 9 in the morning, so we're eating this super early, but. I mean, what can go wrong?
Yeah. I've never had, obviously, one with like guacamole. I've never even heard of this, but
the spicy green chilies make it awesome because it adds a little punch, like a jalapeno.
Yeah.
But diced green chilies.
It's really
spicy
flavorful.
mode. Very flavorful. All right. Happy Celiac Awareness Month. We're sad that it's over. We will still be gluten-free in June though, so we will still be doing gluten-free Fridays.
Yeah, don't worry. Don't miss us too much.
Yeah, don't miss us too much. We'll be back literally next Friday, but we hope you guys enjoyed our little series this month of our partners every week. And we hope that you tune in next week for another exciting gluten-free recipe.
Yes.
If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments.
I know. And let us know if you try this recipe.
And let us know if you try this recipe. We'll see you guys next week.
All right. Bye.